We're focusing on the exam day mechanics for the FE exam, specifically what to expect during the Pearson VUE check-in, how to handle the on-screen calculator, and the critical rules around breaks. You must arrive at the testing center at least 30 minutes before your scheduled appointment. A frequent and entirely avoidable reason for being turned away is an issue with your identification. You must have a valid government-issued photo ID, and the first and last names on it must exactly match your NCEES registration name. After checking in, you'll undergo a biometric screening, which includes a palm vein scan, a digital photo, and an electronic signature. This procedure is repeated every time you enter or leave the testing room. The total appointment is 6 hours, which breaks down into a tutorial, the actual exam time of 5 hours and 20 minutes, and a 25-minute scheduled break. Do not skip the tutorial. Use this time to get comfortable with the interface, the NCEES Reference Handbook PDF, and the question flagging feature. Once you complete and submit the first section of the exam, the 25-minute scheduled break begins. You cannot go back to the first section after this point. A common exam trap is misunderstanding the break policy. You can take unscheduled breaks, like for the restroom, but the main exam clock does not stop. Every moment away is time lost. The testing interface provides an on-screen calculator, but relying on it is a mistake. It is clunky and slow compared to a physical one. You must bring your own NCEES-approved calculator and be an expert with it to maintain speed and accuracy. To remember these key logistics, use this phrase, 30 ID go, clock no slow. Arrive 30 minutes early with your ID to be ready to go. And remember, the exam clock has no mercy and will not slow down for your unscheduled breaks. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.